Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all keeping safe at the moment. In today's video we're going to be looking at the D-Cinelike picture profile and giving you some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of it. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so you turn on your D-Cinelike by hitting the three dots in the corner and just switching your color profile to D-Cinelike. Here we're going to film this field. As you can see, the profile is very flat. Now the first thing you want to do is up your exposure so it's slightly more brighter. Here I've also locked the exposure, but that's down to you if you want to do this. So we're slightly overexposed and we're just going to film this quick and simple video clip. Okay, let's load up that clip into Premiere Pro. Now I'm using Premiere Pro, but these settings you should be able to get a base level with whatever video editor you're using. I've got the color palette already open over here, and what we're going to do, we're going to raise the contrast to 100, shadows -25 and blacks to -25, and then we're going to up the saturation about 10%, and that is it. We have now got a good base settings that we can start working with. Let me just show you in curves how to get this base setting if you're used to using curves. So let's just switch this off and open up curves. So we're going to put a marker in our darks, our midtones and our whites like that. We're going to pull down the blacks a bit, the midtones a bit, and then we're going to raise our whites just like so. And then just to finish it off, we're just going to add a bit more saturation, 10% saturation to finish it off. And that is another base, that's a good base setting to get you started. So let's quickly export this footage and have a look what it looks like now. And as you can see, it's pretty good straight with these settings. We can mess around with them, dial it in a bit more, but already we've got a good base setting to start working with. So here's the tips for it. Raise exposure slightly, contrast 100, shadows -25, blacks -25, and saturation +10. These will give you a good base settings to start working with and color grading your footage. So there you have it guys, a good base setting to get you started with your Cinelike profile. What I find with the Mavic Air 2, the camera comes in slightly underexposed, and if you are running underexposed on your images or footage, you're really going to struggle to bring the Cine profile back to a good setting. You're going to introduce noise and it's going to look mushy and it's not going to look pleasant. Slightly overexpose or brighten your image and footage and you're going to find it a lot easier. So hopefully these base settings get you started on it. Remember, once you've got them, you can really start dialing them in, adding color grading and whatnot to your footage and images. So thank you so much for watching this. If you feel you got something from it, why not give it a like? Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want to see further content from myself, why not subscribe to my channel, which is also down there, and we'll catch up soon. See you soon guys.